Welcome. If you're looking to connect with friends and family, sending a text message on Messenger is one of the fastest and easiest ways to stay in touch. Whether you're new to Messenger or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through exactly how to send a message using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Look for the familiar blue chat bubble icon with a white lightning bolt. Once you tap it, Messenger will load your recent conversations and contacts. Next, it's time to choose who you want to message. You have two options here. If you see the person you want to chat with in your recent conversations, simply tap on their name to open the chat. If you don't see them right away, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap the bar and start typing their name. As you type, Messenger will show matching contacts. When you spot the right person, tap on their name to open a new chat window. Now, you're ready to type your message. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a text box that says, Type a message. Tap inside this box, and your keyboard will appear. Type out whatever you'd like to say, whether it's a simple hello, a quick question, or a longer update. Once your message is ready, sending it is just a tap away. Look for the paper plane icon, usually found to the right of the text box. This is the send button. Tap it, and your message will instantly be delivered to your friend or family member. That's all there is to it. Open Messenger, select a chat or search for a name, type your message, and tap send. It's quick, simple, and a great way to stay connected. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.